channel, Haitian Dining with Marie. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how I make Jenjanm, also known as ginger tea. Here are today's ingredients: 3 cups of water, 1/4 cup of grated ginger, star anise and cinnamon, mint leaves, sugar, and honey is your preference. Here is how you grate the ginger. Right now the water is boiling. I'm gonna add the ingredients. Let it boil for 10 minutes. Now I'm gonna turn the stove off and I'm going to add the mint leaves. After 10 minutes has passed, I remove the pot to strain the tea. This is the final result. So delicious. Thanks everyone for watching. Have a good Sunday and bye bye.